Hey, my loves. Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. Are y'all ready for these easy passion twists? I'll show you the do's and don'ts on these. If you want to see how I got these done, please stay tuned. Subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. All right, let's get right into it, my loves. My hair is washed, conditioned, and twisted. I usually twist my hair so it'll be easier for my comb and brush to make it through my hair. I swear this is so easier than trying to comb it all out. Okay, I got my hair from my local beauty supply store, this water wave braid. You can get it from Amazon as well. When parting my hair, I didn't want to go too small and too big. Just medium is fine for these twists. Throughout this hairstyle, we are going to be oiling and greasing our scalp. This is a protective hairstyle, so you want to make sure you are moisturizing it. It is going to be put up, and you don't want to mess it up while it's brand new. You know, when you have all your parts are nice and neat, and then you don't want to interrupt it by putting grease on your scalp. So go ahead and do that while you're doing your hair as we speak. All of my products are going to be listed in the description box below. I cannot get enough of this magic fingers when you're doing twist, box braids, or any type of style that you want your hair to stay together. So this is the perfect candidate for these twists. When doing these twists, as you can see, yes, I have one strand. That is all you need to start off these twists. Okay, you're going to braid down till you feel that you know your natural hair is not going to come apart from it. Add your magic fingers. The thicker your hair is, the more magic finger you need, or you can stretch your hair, you know, and you won't need a lot of magic fingers. So we're going to split your natural hair down the middle, and we're just going to twist. And this is how you're going to start each and every twist out. And I'll show you just up ahead on your do's and your don'ts. Okay, sweethearts, off the bat, I thought that I was doing it perfectly. I thought I was doing everything just right until I made it kind of to the end. When I held it up, I noticed that it was all crinkly, and I didn't want that. I wanted this. So I redid this one, and then I redid the other one. And now I'm going to show you the difference. You see how well together these two are, but then the middle you have this crinkly looking. That's not how I want it. We want them the way they are on the ends. So I'm just going to redo this one. I'm kind of twisting really hard with my hair, and when my hair stops, then with the synthetic hair, then I twist lightly, literally so light you barely can twist it. So just make sure when you're twisting with your natural hair, you twist a little harder and then twist lightly with the other hair. Using Curl La La, it's just going to help with the curl. It's going to help it blend with the twist. Okay, so we're going to start off as we are doing a regular box braid, and then we're going to start twisting. If you can look very carefully, you see that it's not uniformed. It does not look right at all. So let it loose, and then you can tell that it's not together. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and hold on to that grip and then start twisting the other way. And now look at the difference. Beautiful. Since this hair is already kind of twisted, so just when you get to the end, just twist it all the way down. You do not need to dip this hair in hot water just for it to stay. It's going to stay automatically. Now, as you can see with my hair is very thick in places. Definitely at the top, it is short and it's thick. So you want to grip as hard as you could, you know, just to make sure it will not unravel and come down. Split it down the middle and twist very hard. Not super hard, but twist enough. Make sure you're adding your magic fingers and just twist until your hair stops, until you doesn't feel your hair anymore. Once you don't feel your hair anymore, then you twist lightly because it's already twist hair. All right, I'm gonna get to work and I'm gonna talk to you guys in a minute. This hairstyle only took about an hour and I only used a pack and a half. Finally found it, you guys, my Shine and Gem mousse. You know what? This is my first time using it and it actually works pretty well. It has a nice hold. I'll link it in the description box below. Finishing up on this hairstyle, I do want to add some wild growth oil to my parts. You guys, I'm going to link this in the description box below. This is a must have. I highly recommend this. Please get this. This is my nightly routine that I do every night. You guys, please lock your hair up. Please tie your hair up. Bonnet your hair up, because you know you don't want your hair rubbing off on that cotton, you know, having cotton pillows and stuff like that that will break your hair off. So make sure you are using these types of bonnets. And these are the finishing results, my sweethearts. I am smiling big. Why? Because I love this hairstyle. I love how this hairstyle feels. I love how this hairstyle looks. And I believe it's me. Passion twist, bouncy twist. I'm calling these some sexy twists. I ain't even lying. I love these. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, definitely share, and please subscribe. I love you even if I don't know you. See you guys next time.